Basurahan, 7,000 no?
Ang yaman!
Gastos mo sa plastic bro. Umorder ba tayo nito? Kakaganto ko sa bahay. Yung asawa ko na naman ito. Lari tayo sa discount dito.
Ano ba brother, tawagin ko yung isa sa business partner natin sa kanila.
Sige, sige. Call a friend, nag-call a friend pare. Which is okay, you know, I wanna build a relationship with you guys. I really appreciate the gesture that you gave us. So yeah. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Meron tayong client. You're getting a brand new. Mamimili pa raw sila kung ano. But, isa pa doon is this client is actually a very special client. Kasi, isa sila sa mga kinuhanan natin ng smart toilet natin dito sa BGC. Kaya mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. But first, tapin muna tayo guys. So this company is actually, they're called Kanzen. They have mga smart toilets, mga smart bins. So yeah, in-incorporate natin dito sa BGC. 31 by Gen 3 type pieces guys. So gamit natin doon sa toilet natin. Napakaganda. Sarap umupo doon eh. Pupunta yung owner mamaya, bibili rin siya ng watch. Kasi check din niya yung na-install daw nila. And I think they're also delivering yung smart beans daw nila. A little bit of white chocolate mixed with the espresso.
Sa'yo mamaya eh.
Ayos ba?
Parang pork space.
Random coffee daw talaga eh.
Akala ko si Coco.
Titikman mo yung gawa ni Paring Hype. White chocolate po guys, sabihin nyo lang.
Kamusta paring Video G?
Ako walang pinto yan.
Sarap, pare ko eh.
Okay guys, dito na yung client natin. Puntahan na natin guys. Uy! Uy! Hello boss! Boss! How are you? Kamusta? How's everything? Your name sir, sorry?
John.
Nice to meet you Johnny, Paring Hype. Hello po! Welcome to 31 by Gen 3 timepieces boss. First thing, maraming salamat sa pag-install. Boss, how are you?
What's up, bro?
Kayo yung nag-install eh. So partner nyo sila sa installation?
Yes, client din namin sila sa software.
Small world ah. Small world.
Hindi na ako tatawad sa 130. Okay na ako.
Done! Thank you so much boss. Actually, ang ganda ng smart toilet natin. Check natin mamaya. Kano na bang tagal si Kanzen?
More than 2 years.
Year lang sa Philippines, no?
Yes.
Kanzen is relatively new. Sinabi lang sa akin ng tao ko na there's this Kanzen locally na we should try kasi relatively mas mura siya. And same lang yung features, whatnot. So sabi ko, sige, let's try it. And then they ordered it. And then na-install na rin. Check natin.
Yes.
Gusto ko lang i-flex yung toilet dito sa BGC. Sige, here's our small toilet lang naman namin. Here you go. This is it. First time mo makita na na-install na namin.
Oh brother,
Kamusta? Ayan, boy! Automatic yan. Saka heated seats yan, pare. So here yung mga controls yan, diba?
The thing about this, hindi ka galing mabiday pag wala nakaupo.
Hindi ko alam. Ayan, no? May flush, may lady move, may hip cleaning. O, diba? Pag pinindot mo yan. Oh, may sit down daw. So may flush siya, tapos nakokontrol yung water pressure, yung nozzle, and heated siya. Tapos pag iihi ka, syempre, gusto mo taas yung seat naman, pindutin mo lang to. Oh, diba? Kasi magkano namin nakuha to? I think you gave us a good discount for
Yes,
this.
brother.
Pero yung SRP niya for this one.
This one is 40,000 plus.
Very nice. Worth it for me ha. Kasi comfortable talaga siya. Sobrang comfy niya, mainit pa. Tapos pag gusto mong i-close, pag isa pang magpa-flash pag in-close. 40,000 eh. Not bad. Boss, maraming salamat din.
Welcome brother.
And you brought something with you. Ano to? Nag-order ba tayo nito? Ano tong smart windows?
Ang smart bin actually, ito yung mga automatic sensor.
Basurahan na smart. Sige nga.
Ganun lang, no? And then actually, ito yung function na so parang hindi ka na maglalagay ng plastic. Ito yung vacuum plastic. And then at the same time, ito siya self-sealing.
Sinisil na so parang itatapon na niya.
Yes. And then magbibip siya. Yan. Sa ilalim siya po. Hindi na siya nalaglag kasi yan.
Wala siyang
Walang
laman. So ito na lang yung kukunin mong basura sa tapon mo.
Ang galing ha. Same time, meron siyang sensor.
Ayan, mag-isa siya nag-change din. Boss, nasa magkano yung ganito?
This one is around 7,000.
Basurahan, 7,000 no? Eto, since nag-beep na siya, angat ko lang siya, no? Ito siya, ayun! Ayun na siya. Rechargeable to?
Type-C lang siya.
Type-C lang. Ginanon ko. Tanan! Bago na.
Galing.
Pwede ka ulit magtapon. Kada isang tapon mo daw, kailangan mo isil agad.
Ang yaman!
Gastos mo sa plastic mo.
Website natin is www.kanzen-home.com.
Para saan tong Kanzen na modern interior? Umorder ba tayo nito?
Tatlo.
Saan CR natin, friend?
Sa bahay ko yung isa. A gift from Kanzen.
Ah, totoo ba? Kakaganto ko sa bahay. Oo, asawa ko na naman ito. Push gift daw talaga eh. Sige boss, thank you so much. Yari tayo sa discount dito. Okay, sige. Sir, these are the watches that you've been looking for. So here kasi sa BGC, of course, all our Rolexes are brand new. So here we have the 224270. This is an Explorer, the 40mm. Dati kasi yung favorite watch ko, this was a 39mm. That was the discontinued. Wala na kasing brand new noon. So the only new and unused watch that we have here sa Rolex is the 224270. 4270. This is the 40mm. Also, we have here is another 40mm, which is also a unused, unworn watch. So this is a Rolex naman na 126900, which is the Air King. Ang pinagkaiba nito from the previous Air King is this already has yung tinatawag natin na crown guard. And not only that, may 0 na yung number 5. And yung 3, 6, and 9 has a lume. So those are the difference. Both are unused, unworn. This is 599,000 pesos for this one. This one is 619. What do you think? Ano mas napupusuan mo boss sa dalawa?
Mahirap mamili eh.
For me, looking at how you dress, you're a very sporty guy. But of course, pag tinanggal mo kasi jacket mo, parang very plain na lang, no? I would suggest you to go for something like this one. It's very simple. It's all occasion. Wala masyadong complication, pare. There's no date, nothing. Just plain watch, tells the time. Yeah, very iconic watch.
Alam ba brother, tawagin ko yung isa sa business partner natin sa kanila.
Sige, sige. Call a friend. Nag-call a friend, pare. Boss, kamusta? Hi, nice to meet you. Since nandito kayo, boss, medyo private kayo. Daming tumitingin sa labas. Gusto nyo ba private, boss, na hindi kayo nakikita sa labas? O gusto nyo nakikita kayo? Gusto nyo private? Yan lang yung boss, oh. Oh! So we have clients that wants privacy when they deal with us. Kaya we have that option na, of course.
Ito brother, kasi plano ko talaga, hindi niya alam to. Kukuha talaga ako ng dalawa.
Okay.
So para sa akin, isa para sa kanya. Birthday gift kasi recently nag-birthday siya.
And you guys are the owner of the Kanzen. So ito, gigift mo na lang sa kanya?
Ikaw bro, kasi ako ito rin ang trip ko eh.
Eh di dalawang ganito. Maganda rin yon. At least twinning kayo. Ganyan kami ni Paring G. Yung pinaka first luxury yung Tagoyer namin, twinning kami na. Way back 2015 pa yun. Ayan boss, we have two ng 224270. Brand new pa rin. Because of the gift you gave me, this is 619,000 each. 2025 unworn. I would give this to you easily for 580 each. Malaking discount yun because you gave us gift din.
Hirap tanggihan niya brother.
Done! Thank you so much, boss. Boss, congratulations. Maraming salamat. Alright, so we sold 580 each lang. As in, karampot na lang. Sobrang pitik na lang yung tubo namin dito. Which is okay. You know, I wanna build a relationship with you guys. I really appreciate the gesture that you gave us. So yeah, Kuya Jay. Kuya Jay pala. Kuya Jay kasi restaurant eh. Kamukha mo kasi si Jericho Rosales eh. Yung mga smart bin. Kalat nyo na dito. So lahat, meron tayong smart bin dito. And not only that, boss, since done deal tayo ngayon. Nakalimutan ko actually offer sa inyo. We have a done deal coffee, boss.
Oh,
baka gusto nyo magkape?
Apo.
Sige.
Game?
Kailan na yung PPF mo, bro?
Kakakuha lang namin ng certificate kapon. The Legacy PPF. Meron na kami, boss. Exclusive dealer kami dito sa Pilipinas ng Legacy PPF. The best PPF in the world. Boss, syempre, this is the beige for you. And this is the black naman para sa'yo, boss. So dito, boss, ginagawa na po ang inyong mga done deal coffee. Ayan o, tika mo, may swan pa. Nice one.
10 ml.
Perfect. Boss, nakita ko sa inyo, in-install namin yung ano nyo. Eto yun, boss. Oh, naiiba yan, bo. Oh. Alam mo, meron din dito. Filtered water na to.
Ayan,
Meron din
pambaso.
dito, rinser. Ayan.
Thank
Yun rin
you.
pala to galing, boss. Baka sabihin, sponsor. Baka naman, boss. Baka natin yung barista natin. Parang ako yung Indiano, boss. Ang daming gano'n.
और अब इस बर्फ को तोड़कर ये जो अपने ग्लासेस थे
Fast forward.
बर्फ को पहले धुल लिया है और अब
Oh. That is the signature white chocolate mocha ni Paring Hype. Done. Paring. Done deal. Sarap. Boss, ikaw naman. Boss. Ayan. Please, try.
Ito ang balanse niya. Balanse siya, hindi ko naramdaman na masyadong matamis, hindi masyadong mapait. So, pwede siya sa mga mahihilig lang sa
coffee. Ano, naubos nyo na yung kape nyo?
I-enjoy ba?
Okay, so boss, thank you so much. Done deal. Pare, maraming salamat sa serbisyo nyo. Next time. Boss, thank you so much ha. Thank you so much for being a part of the construction nitong 31 by Jet and Nakabenta pa ako. Saya.